Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how not to show birthday on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook app. Here you can see your profile picture in the top left corner. So tap on it. Then you can see these three dots in here. Next, you need to click this edit option. Scroll down a bit. Here you can find this edit your about info option. Then you can see your birthday under the basic info option. If you want to edit your birthday, you want to click this edit option in here. Here you can see your birthday. Click this icon and choose this only me option to hide your birthday. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.